This is Danfoss Icon 230 volt on-wall display room thermostat, and I will show you how to dismount and mount it back. Okay, we need a screwdriver. We push it in a little hole here. We squeeze, and then we take this lid off like this. Okay, this kind of thermostat is connected with 3 wires. These 2 are mains supply. This one is used for actuator. Actuators can be connected directly, or you can use wiring box. Danfoss Icon 230 volt controller. Doesn't matter, you will connect through controller or you connect it directly. The maximum you can connect 5 TVA, Danfoss TVA actuators. Okay, let's put everything back. The best way is to dismount this part and keep attention which side goes up. Okay, so we just put it like this, and then we put display on. So Danfoss logo is here, and pins should go inside here, and we gently mount the display. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.